So here I am, guys. Got the car painted. Of course, I did all of the body work, as you can see here. So give you a quick walk around. I actually painted the tail light panel metallic silver. Still got to put the Mustang letters down there. Still got to put the bottom quarter vents in. Got to change the door glass to fastback glass. Can't put my rear glass or my windshield in until I actually get the headliner in. So this is where I'm at. I'm letting you guys know this is my first time ever doing something like this, and I'm just encouraging those that they can do it. If the fastback is your dream car, this was an original '68 coupe car, and I painted it the original sunlit gold color, '68 Ford color. And so basically everything behind the doors, including the roof, is all new sheet metal. And if you've been following the videos, you see how I started off and you see where I'm at now. That's a new rear valance, new tail light panel, new trunk lid, of course, new roof, new quarters. This car was rusted pretty bad as far as the quarters and fenders were concerned, so I had to replace the passenger fender. This is a aftermarket fender that's on here now, and original hood, original driver's side fender. It needed some work, so I ended up patching a couple holes that was in it, and painted it, and paint job came out excellent. That's just a lot of dust from it being over in the corner. But basically, paint job came out beautiful. I bought the original. I think these are called velours. And so on the inside here, you can't really see it because of the lighting. But the inside vent there, this is three-piece assembly. So you have the frame, you have the vent side, the vent on the inside of here, and then you have this exterior piece that you see here. Since they sandblasted these, I had to take the inner vent and have those chrome. And I would have came out cheaper just buying aftermarket ones because they come chromed already. But I had to pay $150 a piece, so that was $300 just chroming those vents there. So of course you got to put your package tray in. I mean, it's quite a bit, lining all of this sheet metal up, getting your quarter extensions right, getting your rear valance right. If you see the rear valance where it meets the quarter panel, excellent. You want your stuff to look good like that. And so I went with sequential rear turn signal lights or / brake lights. So I just wanted to point out where the rear valance meets up with the quarter. And you want that to look almost as seamless as you can get it. So that's where I'm at with this project. I'm looking at about 2 more weeks to complete it, where I can actually drive it. But here in Michigan right now, it is December the 1st. So in 2 weeks will be mid-December. So probably won't get it out this year, but it will be done. I still have to wet sand cut and buff certain areas. Certain areas I don't have to touch at all because it just came out so beautiful. But this is where I'm at. I just want to encourage everybody that if the Fastback is your dream project, you can definitely do this thing yourself. You got to make sure that your trunk open and close. I painted the top and the bottom of everything. I painted the door seams, the whole 9, because I wanted it to look beautiful. So that's where I'm at. Still got to put the Mustang letters on the deck lid, Mustang letters on both fenders, and the horse emblem and stuff like that. And then once I get the headliner in, get the windows in, all of the trim around, I can actually start working on the interior, which I have all brand new interior. Steering wheel, sound dampener, carpet, center console, the whole 9. So just wanted to give you guys an update of where I'm at with this '67 Fastback. And I also painted, like I said, the tail light panel metallic silver. And I painted the grill silver too, but that's yet to be installed. So that'll be shown in upcoming videos. I still have some work to do. So see you guys later.